Hi there. I wanted to show you my new client delivery process manager. This is Brandt, and I've been a photographer a long time. And for years, I had a physical log where I would keep track of the process once I was finished with the session, and it would have this information. And I would just kind of write it down and just keep track of it. And I decided to just create a digital log to make things so much easier. And now I'm making it available for you. When you click it, it'll say use template, and you just click use template in Google Sheets, and then you can go ahead and fill it in. Now, you put the client name, their email, whether or not they said it's okay to post on social, because I feel like sometimes we remember, sometimes we forget. We want to respect their wishes. If you have it in your client contract that they can check off whether they want it on social or not, just check it off. Session type, I put most common, but keep in mind that you can edit this, okay? And then status, do you need to download them? Have they been downloaded? Have they been culled? You can also edit this as well. Just click the little edit icon and you can edit. Gallery sent, did you send it or not? The gallery link. The gallery status is, did they view it? Have they chosen their favorites? Have you downloaded their favorites? Now understand that everyone's process is different. This is what works for me, but if you want to make some changes, you can easily do that. You just can't resell it as your own. Okay, so Jot form, I do have a form that they fill out for their product. So yes, they filled it out, or no, requested. Digital delivery, do you need to send it, or did you send it? Sent, or to send. Okay, because sometimes I'll finish something but I haven't sent it yet, so it needs to send, right? Print order, yes or no, or they're undecided, or they need an appointment. Product order, yes, included in the package, or yes, see their order form, or no, there is no product. If there's product, then you would check this off, whether you need to order product, and then did you deliver the product? Any notes that you want to put in here? Google review, did you request it? Did you not request it? Or did you receive? I think this is fun because sometimes I can't remember who I asked for them to make a Google review, and sometimes I ask and they don't do it. That's okay. And then when you're done, is the gallery archived and is it backed up? What's great about this is you can access it anywhere, phone, iPad, and Google Sheets. And I know that it's making my life so much easier, and I think you'll enjoy it as well.